Hi! In today's video, I go to Chicago. Enjoy! We're in Chicago! This is the view. Nice. This is actually my parents' room, so now I have to leave. And this will be our room for the next few nights. Very nice. This is the bathroom. Ta-da! It's 10 a.m. We have the whole day ahead of us. I'm sure my mom has a whole bunch of stuff planned, so I'm excited. We're gonna see a whole bunch of different things. I've never been here before, my boyfriend either, and we didn't get much sleep, but what's new? I'm hoping this time around I don't get sick. And I listened to a audiobook on the plane, and it was a romance audiobook. And I think I'm a romance girl now. Aww. Not even, I think like 2 videos ago I was like, I'm not a romance girl, I'm just a thriller mystery girl. But I don't know, we'll see. It was just like a free audiobook on the plane. I didn't even finish it, so, but I'm gonna try. Maybe I'll buy a book and maybe I'll be a romance girl. Honestly, I hope so because their covers are like the prettiest. Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs to meet my parents. We're taking a little break.
Yeah, I'm looking at my grades.
He's looking at his grades. Oh my god, is that the bean? It is. Okay, so we might go to a rooftop, nice Barnes and Nobles, maybe the really tall 3-story Starbucks. Okay, we gotta go. The leader said, let's go. Okay, this is an update. Oh, how was the pizza?
It was good.
Pizza was good. Oh, and then we went to Marshall's and I bought this. I bought it and then I put it on. And then also this. It was a 2-pack and it was 20 bucks. And they're like actually really thick and nice. It's really hot today. But tomorrow's gonna be cold. But I'm still wearing my jacket because I'm bloated. And now we're gonna go to
a park.
The river walk, I think. Oh. I want to buy a Labubu, but they're expensive.
They're only $20. I could have bought that.
Maybe if we go to Chinatown, I think they're cheaper there, but I don't know if we're going to go to Chinatown because they already went to Chinatown yesterday. And I don't know if they're going to want to go again. We are at Navy Pier. He has the glasses on. He looks so cute. It's so windy.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be giving you a tour of Chicago.
What's the tour?
We're at the beach right now.
We're not.
Oh wait, at the lake right now.
We are at a pier.
Oh, we're at a. That's the same thing.
Navy Pier.
So we're at the Navy. We're at the Navy
Okay.
Pier. What?
Finish your sentence.
We're at the Navy Pier, and we're going to a kids museum.
No, we're not.
Bro, this is the museum right now.
Girl, the museum was like 10,000 steps behind.
But I thought this was the museum. Oh.
This is a hotel. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is my outfit. We're going to Barnes and Nobles. Good morning. I'm sorry I didn't talk a lot yesterday, but I've been reading the book. I'm on chapter 5. And so far, I think I like it. I have a theory. The mistake that she keeps talking about, that was the reason that broke them up. I think it was because my theory is that she did something with the brother.
Their own brother or the guy's brother?
No, the guy's brother. Not her own brother. I don't think she has a brother. No, she's an only child. Yeah. I don't really know if I'm gonna love this, but I want to. But I'm gonna keep reading it. I want to keep reading it, so that's a good sign. When I was at Barnes & Nobles, I got this book, and then I was looking in the thriller, mystery, and then I forgot the author's name, the one that she made, oh my god, what's it called? The Housemaid. Oh, I forgot the one that I read. I'll put it here because I don't remember right now. But I saw those books and I was like, I could just buy that and know 100% that I'll like that. But I'm gonna give this a chance. It's an easy read. It's not I don't know. I don't really know how to talk about books, so. But today we are gonna go to, I don't remember the name, but a nice area, neighborhood, whatever, to walk around. And then I think we're also gonna go to Chinatown. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Forever 21. So the store was a gigantic mess. There was a whole bunch of clothes, but it was just such a mess. I didn't really go through everything. But okay, first, also my boyfriend got some stuff. It's a robe. It's a cute little robe. It has little roses. Let me see if I could like tell you how much everything was. This was $8. Then I got this. Like it was a set. So it's this shirt, and then it comes with these little shorts, and the set was $8 total. I got these little workout shorts, and this was $6. Last thing I got was this earring set. This was $3.20. She got this. And then she got this and this. Cute. Now we're gonna get ready to start our day. It's raining, guys.
It's raining cats and dogs.
I don't know where we're going now, but I'm just following the leader. My brain is turned off and I'm just following the leader.
It's like crack.
Where are we going? Do you even know where we're going?
We're going to Chinatown.
Oh. Well, I'm excited to go to Chinatown because I'm going to buy my friends some gifts. If they have what I'm looking for. Whenever I have an idea of buying a gift for someone, I want to tell them right away, but I also want it to be a surprise. So I'm always like in a bad way in my head, like I just want to tell them right now. But then I want to like wait till I see them and like it be a surprise.
What are you talking about, girl? You
Look at
now
the
that you're saying it, you have to purchase.
I know, I want,
Well,
if I
what if
find
there's
it, I'm
nothing
gonna buy
here?
it. If I don't find it and I don't buy it, then I'm not gonna be able to put this in the video. So yesterday we went to the Michael Jordan restaurant and food was good. That's where I had the purple drink. It tasted so good. And we only had appetizers from there, but it was good. For dinner we went to the Gordon Ramsay burger place. And the only thing that was good there was the sweet potato fries. Oh, she's wearing her new jewelry.
All of them? Jeez.
Not all of them.
It looks like you put all of them on.
And me too.
I want to take them off because like I feel like they're all like stuck together.
I think it looks cute. Okay, we'll see you wherever we're going because I don't even know. So. Okay, I'm gonna open this. These are the options.
Wait, can I see which one? Wait, which one do you want?
I want this one.
Okay. Oh! And you're gonna put on your phone?
Oh, that's cute.
I think it's gonna be in a blind bag.
I've never opened a mystery thingy.
Who do you think it is? Look, can I feel it?
I feel little ears. Oh, I think it's Kuromi.
Would you want Kuromi?
I guess.
Wait, can I see first?
Wait.
Show them first and then. Oh.
It's Kuromi.
Fell.
It's Kuromi. Aw, she's so cute though.
Is her? Oh, that's so cute though.
This is a raisin sticky bun. And that's a double chocolate cookie. Ready? We usually do a thing how we switch. You get me?
I don't like that.
Just one bite, one small bite. Switch.
I don't want.
Just try it. I'm gonna force you to try it. Try it. It's a cinnamon. You don't. There's no raisin right there. Just try right there in the end. Try it for real. Try it. Try it.
Oh my goodness.
Just try it, baby.
Oh, it smells so good.
With the Rockets leading by 3 at 1-2. Golden State did not have a lead.
We got more, guys. We got more. So generously, give it to us by my suegra, her mom. Right? Okay, sorry. What is it again? Coconut? Coconut caramel chocolate chip. Okay, you got the first bite. Never mind, she's not gonna get a bite.
We confidently guarantee our money. Oh no. What we can't guarantee is you and your teammates get a team connected. Double.
This one's good.
I texted you guys.
I think it's better than that one.
I got first this morning. I thought you said
Oh my god!
rebounds and assists.
Where is Chicago? Why aren't you saying it? 1, 2, 3. Where is? Why are you not saying?
Okay, go.
Only his buttons.